The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has struck out the appeal by governorship aspirants of the People's Democratic Party in Edo State, Arthur Esene and Anselm Ojezua, seeking to disqualify the party's candidate in the September 21, 2024 governorship election, Mr. Asue Ighodalo. The aspirants, Esene and Ojezua, had in their appeal prayed the Court of Appeal to set aside the April 17th judgment by Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court Abuja, which dismissed their suit for being statute barred. Justice Omotosho, in his judgment, had held that not only did they fail to prove their claim that Mr. Ighodalo forged his voter's card, non-possession of voter's card did not constitute a disqualifying factor under the Constitution and the Electoral Act to deny a candidate from contesting election. In the unanimous judgment delivered by Justice Hama Barka, the appellate court affirmed the judgment by Justice Omotosho and held that the suit filed before the Federal High Court by Ojezua and 4 others was filed out of time and statute barred. Justice Barka also agreed with the decision of the Federal High Court that not only did Ojezua and others fail to establish their claim that Ighodalo forged his voter's card, their suit was bereft of any merit because it was based on a flawed assumption. Justice Barka, after striking out the appeal for lacking in merit, awarded a cost of 3 million naira against the appellants and in favor of Mr. Ighodalo, the PDP, and INEC. Meanwhile, the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Asue Ighodalo, says the court cases are distracting. This is in spite of his latest victory in the appeal court. Mr. Ighodalo, who was speaking on the sidelines of the PDP governorship campaign rally in Uromi and Igweben, lamented in litigations ahead of the forthcoming Edo governorship poll. The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja on Friday, that's today, had struck out the appeal by Arthur Esene and Anselm Ojezua, PDP governorship aspirants seeking to disqualify Mr. Ighodalo as PDP candidate in the Edo governorship poll.
We have our colleagues, my colleagues, who went to court, and I would have preferred that we all work together as one. So that saddens me. And for me, I'm hoping that we'll also be able to work well together as one, so as to strengthen our party, so that the party can always continue to look forward. So I'm looking forward to all my colleagues and I coming back together and working together as one. You know, that for me is truly the more important thing. The court case issues, I'm just relieved because the court cases were distractions and they were affecting our campaigning profile, our campaigning processes and all of that, you know. But apart from that, it's really that I'm sad that we've had this kind of bifurcation and this kind of problems within the party, and it's not necessary. So I'm hoping, like I said before, that we'll be able to come together and work as one strong, indivisible party and team for the betterment of the good people of Edo State. There's so much to do. There's so much poverty in the land. There's so much suffering in the land. We can raise our GDP. We can raise our economy. We can carry our people into prosperity. And there's so much we can all combine together. If we truly love our people, we'll work as one.